Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Rainpot. Today I am going to show you how we can make a 3D origami just using three different color paper, and this is very beautiful and interesting. You can make it easily. Just go through to my tutorial and you can make it. And first, please subscribe my channel and let's see how can we make it. Take a square paper of 15 cm versus 15 cm and then fold like this. Okay, unfold it and do the same thing to the opposite side, just like this. Okay, now unfold it. Now just go to the opposite side, then fold along diagonal. Okay, done. Then unfold it, just rotate it and do the same thing along another diagonal. Yes, then unfold it. We have to do the same thing with another paper with another color. Yes, now first unfold is first fold like this, just like this. Okay, done. And now unfold it and fold just like this. The diagonal side will be the upper side and here diagonal side will be the lower side. Then just take this one and put this four side just like this. Okay, done. Then just fold this side portion just like this and do the same. Yes, I'm just completed my folding and this is 1 unit. You have to make another 5 unit of different color. Yes, I've just made same color in another unit. Okay, just you have to make 2 set of different color. And this one, total 6 unit. Okay, first take 2 unit and then you have to put this side along this pocket and this side along this pocket. Okay, just see what I am doing. Okay, I have done. Just a minute. Okay, then it is done. Now you have to take another color. Yes. Okay, you can do the same thing. Just take the same color like this and do the same thing to the opposite side. Yes, done. And take this color to the opposite side, just like this, and do the same thing. Yes, done. Just done. Now assemble this four corner. Done. Do the same thing here. Yes, done. Do the same thing here. Yes. Yes, done. Then put this one in this pocket, or this one in this pocket, and this one in this pocket and just assemble. Yes, done. Then do the same thing here. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please do like, subscribe and share to your friends. And if you have any question, please ask to the description, to the comment section, and you can ask any question and I will try to help you. And please do share and subscribe to your friends and subscribe my channel. Stay blessed. Thank you.